There's a huge thing that's gonna make your life a lot easier, and that is nice equipment. There's multiple things that you can use. We have burr mixers, for example, that can help you make dressings and make salsas and make all kinds of things a lot easier than, say, a blender, because a immersion blender or burr mixer, one this size, is one that's gonna help you produce a lot of food really fast. Other things like RoboCube, for example, it's a classic tool that helps any large kitchen be a lot more productive and be able to do it in a much easier way. And I think a really good tip for equipment like this is try to find a way to leave it in the same spot. So it's a little bit of an exercise, but go into your kitchen, picture the flow of things, and find a home for your equipment. The last thing you want to do is carry all this stuff back and forth. That makes no sense, and what that creates is that you just don't want to use it, and instead you're going to pull out your knife and chop things really slowly, as opposed to having a station that's designated for those items, and then you know that every day, based on the rotation that you've created, for example, Monday morning and Tuesday morning are going to be the 2 days that you're going to do all your production, so everything is sitting in one spot. You're going to run 50 pounds of carrots through it instead of just chopping them by hand. This is going to make your life so much easier, and it's going to save a lot of time. So again, if you can, leave all your equipment in the place where it's going to be used. If you have any questions on how to use the equipment that you have or something that you would like to buy, there's always YouTube. You'll find videos on how to use this equipment, great tools on how to save you time. So I recommend just do a quick search on YouTube on whatever tool you have, and that'll help you a lot. And then at that stage, after you've chopped everything in your RoboCube, for example, then it's all about storage containers. I'm gonna go into the details of organizing your kitchen and planning for the week, so you can always be ahead of the game on a later video. But for now, I'll just say that storage containers are gonna be huge. This can make your life a lot easier. I really like Cambros. You can have these round ones, you can have square ones. Really, whatever you want to use is fine as long as it fits the needs of what you're doing. And because every kitchen is different, your needs for equipment are going to be different. But one thing that you can do is, based on the size of your operation, reach out to other schools that are about the same size and ask them what equipment they're using, what is working, and what it's not. Remember, a huge part of this is about community. So stand on the shoulders of giants. Reach out to others that have done this already and get stronger as a community that all wants the same thing: to feed kids the best food possible.